Meaning of Elsinore.
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 Elsinore. Elsinore is a Danish city located in the northeast region of Zealand. Its name comes from the original Danish name, Helsingør, which means neck of the strait. The city is most famously known for its Kronborg Castle, which was the inspiration for Shakespeare's play Hamlet and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Elsinore is also an important port city with ferry connections to Sweden. In summary, Elsinore is a historic and culturally significant city in Denmark known for its castle and seaport.